Hey Diva Dolls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL and I am back with another video. Now this time it's a try on swimsuit wear video. Now this video is for my curvy, my plus size, my full figured women because I partnered with Cupshe. It's a new brand on my channel, but I promise you dolls, you are going to love what it is that I bring to you. So if you want to see what it is that I picked up, stay tuned. Okay, so for this particular bathing suit, I am definitely a fan. I am just super blown away already with Cupshe because their plus sizes are plus sizes. I didn't have to pop any strings to get in here. It's really comfortable. Now this top I thought was going to be a true tie top, but it just has like a little string there. It's like a faux tie, which is fine. It still gives you that whole look that it's going for, but this bathing suit is very comfortable. It's not cutting in my side. I like to wear my bathing suits more up on my hip. This one in particular can be worn more down because it is high waist, but you can also have it cut up like a dancer thong or something. But anyways, I love the color of this bathing suit. I think this orangey yellow color just really doesn't have a good picture on the screen. I wish you dolls can really pick up the color because it's really pretty, and this shot right now is just not doing it any justice. But I love the pink rose detail. I think that's super feminine. I love the fact that it's high waist. It feels stretchy, like I can literally move around in it, like I could play some beach volleyball or something. Like, y'all, I'm doing this haul video because it's not that we can't wear bathing suits somewhere. You might go on vacation or something. Y'all need to know where to shop all year round because I want you dolls to live your best life and go on a vacation. But anyways, I really adore this bathing suit. Like, I'm really happy I picked it out. So I will put all the sizes to everything I pick up, of course, down below. But right now, this particular bathing suit is a go. Okay, dolls, now this particular bathing suit I also love. And the reason for that is because, again, it is in a plus size. And a couple of things I adore about this bathing suit. So the first thing is it's full coverage. Not all the time can you walk around in a thong or a two-piece or a bathing suit that shows a whole lot of skin. Think about the times you are with, I don't know, your kid on a field trip. You could be on a family vacation or a certain part of a resort which is kid friendly, and you just so happen to be that person who wants to dress a little bit more conservatively but still be able to swim and get wet and enjoy yourself. So this bathing suit is nice and full coverage. It covers your full booty. It also covers your back. So if you have any insecurities with like back rolls or your stomach, I mean, it's really flattering because it also cinches at the waist, and I think that's really nice, especially when it comes to a full figure bathing suit. The last thing that I love about this bathing suit is the color. So it's not often that we think of a burgundy when we are swimsuit shopping, but this is one of those colors that I think will look really nice on any skin tone. I can see it on a really dark skin tone or a medium skin tone, even on a pale skin tone like fair or whatever. Like you really cannot go wrong with this color. This is one of those colors that works for basically anyone. So again, so far so good with Cupshe. I really do appreciate the sizing, and this is my first time trying on their bathing suit, so let's keep going and see how the others fit too. Okay, so this particular bathing suit I love too, and the reason for that is because I've had some bathing suits in the past where I can make them work, but they would cut into me really deep. Okay, so this one I'm pretty plushy, I'm pretty curvy, so yeah, it's still gonna cut into me, but it actually feels pretty comfortable because I can feel the difference in the clothes. So y'all, these sizes are more plus size. I've seen where they have sizes that even go up to like a 3X. Okay, so most of these I believe I got in an extra large. I adore this color. I know, again, it's really not a summertime color, but again, it's not that you have to wait until the summer to go on vacation or to wear a bathing suit. So this would be perfect to wear if you're on vacation during the fall, during the winter months, or even during the summer months. Like, this color is lit. Another one of those common colors that can be worn on any skin tone. This particular bathing suit has this material where it kind of feels like khaki, but it still has a stretch to it, and it's really comfortable. The bottoms you can wear on your hip bone, or you can wear it higher up on your waist like me. I like wearing them higher up on my waist because I have such wide hips. That's the best way it fits me and the most comfortable way that it fits me. So this particular bathing suit you can pull into a thong, but it does give you pretty decent coverage in the back, so it doesn't look quite like a thong. So I think it's still appropriate. Maybe if you're like boo, you're on the beach, you know, probably not really kid friendly. I don't know. I would wear this around some kids. I really would. But I like this bathing suit and I would recommend it. Okay, dolls, so I gotta keep it real. This bathing suit is dope. Okay, I like it. The reason I like it is because it's very comfortable. Again, the sizing is on point. I do love the colors. I haven't seen a bathing suit like this, not even on some of the other sites that I shop. So I thought it was pretty unique. I like how it's like a color block of like a peachy color. It's like a true peach. I don't know how it's coming up on camera, but it's a true peach color with a navy blue on the top. It has stitching that's all peach, and then it goes down into the opposites on the bottom. So a really cute bathing suit. You can pull it down and kind of cup up your back fat. That's a trick that I've learned. If your bathing suit fits nicely, you can actually, instead of just having your back rolls all out and exposed, you can kind of put it like under. I don't know how to explain it, but you basically just put it over your back rolls and it kind of minimizes them a little bit more. This is a true high-waisted bottom, so it makes you comfortable there. So even though if you are full figured or plus size or curvy and you don't want to show your full stomach or have to wear a one piece, you do have options. I think this is a really nice one. So this again is another tooth piece that is high-waisted. The bottoms fit very comfortable. Nothing is cutting in my sides. I think this is very appropriate for boo time or family time. I think the colors are really different. Actually, I'm not in love with the colors, but I think it's still a cute bathing suit. So I adore it. All of these tops seems to have like the faux tie, which I guess it's hard to say because I do like the faux tie, but I also appreciate a regular tie because it helps me pull the girls together a little bit more if I wanted them to be a little bit more voluptuous looking. That's like a hack that I have. So regardless, it's a very comfortable bathing suit. I think it's very flattering, and I think it's another option if you're full figured or curvy and you don't want to have to wear a one piece. So the bottoms do go up really high in the back as well as the front. Very comfortable, very stretchy, and again, I'd recommend it. So I actually love this bathing suit. So again, another great fit. I can go ahead and adjust the straps in the back because I can feel it. Like I can feel the lackness, as you can see there. So I do need to go ahead and adjust the straps, but I really love this color, dolls. This color is like a mustard, but like it's like a mustard yellow. So I think it's really appropriate for the summer. The material is different. The material has like this kind of rib design to it, if you can kind of see that, which I think makes it different, but it's comfortable. Like I love that these are string bikinis because you can control, like me being bottom heavy, I can control how they fit compared to the top, which I need it to be a little smaller. So the strings are actual strings on the top and the bottom. That way you can control how it fits, but there's enough fabric so you're not spilling out. And again, plus size bikinis, Cupshe, you got your girl covered. Like I am excited about this. Like I was just thinking like, dang, I got all these bathing suits. Where am I gonna wear them? Future boo out there, wherever you at, I need to go on some islands this year, okay? So I can rock my bathing suits. But yes, dolls, I like and I borderline love this bathing suit. I can't wait to really get a full wear out of it. Okay, dolls, now this particular bathing suit is another one-piece bathing suit, and when I put it on, I felt great because of the material. I don't even know what kind of material this is, but this is layered. Like it has this nice lining in it that's white, but on the other side, it has like this kind of reptile-ish pink feel. Like, can you see that print? I'm trying to get it to pick up on camera. So that's the print. It's like a reptile print, and it's not like very noticeable, but you can definitely see it. And I love this whole detail right here. I think it's very sexy, and it doesn't even go down that deep, so it's not inappropriate by any means. The particular, like the color itself is nice. This color is like a light pink color, not quite baby pink, but it is like a light peachy pink color. So different than a peach that you saw before the bikini. This one does have a scoop back in the back, so it does reveal a little bit more than the other full figure bathing suit, but this one is still like a trendier, maybe even younger type of feel, but I think the material is what dresses it up, so you can be any age rocking this and feeling really good in. So again, full coverage bathing suit, shows a little bit more edge, a little bit more skin, so I think it could work for any age and is very appropriate for any situation, and it's flattering. I feel pretty in it. So very feminine, and I would recommend. This is the last bathing suit. Again, I wanted to give some options that are really flattering for curvy, full figured women, or if you want to be a little bit more modest, depending on what you need to do as far as your vacation goes or your trip. But this is classic. You can't go wrong with black. I know you're thinking, oh, but it's for, you know, the water. Why wear black? Because black is classic. You could never go wrong with black. So I think this is really sexy and it's appropriate for all ages because I feel classic and timeless and very chic. I love that you can wear this top both ways. I'm pretty sure it's meant to be worn this way, but I like the way it looks the other way as like a typical halter top as well. And I love that this particular bathing suit is full coverage where it matters. So if you have, again, any back rolls and you wanted to just cover them, this does go very high in the back, and then it's flattering that the waist high cinches at your waist. So that helps you as well as far as with your flattering silhouette. And it covers your booty for the most part, so it's pretty good there too. So this particular bathing suit is comfortable. It does have those little pads in the front, but it doesn't, you know, they're big enough to where they don't feel weird while you have it on, if that makes sense. Because some of them feel weird when they're a little too small and you just take them out, but these ones feel like they're supposed to be there. So this particular bathing suit, again, I love it because it's classic. I love it because it's black and timeless. I love it because it's reversible, well, not reversible, but it's versatile with the top, and I love it because it cinches your waist and everyone wants to be snatched honey on the beach. So there you go, girl. Pick up this bathing suit. Okay, doll, so again, that is it. I cannot say enough positive things about my first experience and my first thoughts of Cupshe. Okay, so really quick, this is how the packaging comes, which I adore. I think it's really cute and colorful. In fact, they have a couple of designs. I don't think that it specifies or it means anything as far as which the packaging is, but I just noticed that. I thought that was a cute detail because your girl is all about the details. Now, they have bikinis, and then their motto is live life on the beach. Their website is really easy to navigate. I didn't need customer service for anything, so I can't really speak on that. The shipping definitely came pretty fast, within a week. So depending on your trips, depending on what you need these for, I mean, if you're just leisurely shopping, then no worries there. But if you're trying to order for like a trip or something, you may want to order in advance. It just so happened that I got my package in less than a week. So that's all I can speak on about that. So far, again, so good. I will leave my sizes as well as the direct links to what it is I purchased. And of course, your girl's gonna look for a coupon code. Just look down below in the box. I'll put all those details there. Now, if you are shopping and you still need help with the sizing, please check out my measurements down below, and then also be sure to check out the size guide on their website. That's what I used, and because I know my measurements, I was able to kind of gauge what size to get, and I lucked out. Everything I picked up fit, and I actually will wear. So definitely pay attention to the sizing detail. Now, if you dolls love these kind of videos, you already know what to do, honey. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and share this video with the friends. And please be sure that you subscribe to this channel. You dolls know I'm on my way to 100K. I'm like at 90,000 or so of you beautiful diva dolls. And I just want to say thank you so much for the support. Also, if you don't follow me on my fitness and also on my vlog channel, be sure also that you do that. And of course, if you don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do that. And my name is @CRYSTALCHANEL. That way you'll catch a couple of cute flicks and also behind the scenes when I do a lot of these videos. But again, I recommend Cupshe. I thank you dolls for your time and for your support. And of course, as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.